Hello and welcome to another TrunSHOP video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a wardrobe like this one. Okay, so to start we're going to come here on File, a new project, and we have our blank canvas. For this project the room will be 2000 of in this dimension and 700 on this dimension. Okay, just to show the wardrobe. I'm sorry, it's 2100, like this. So to start here in the empty cabinet, we're going to put 2000 for the width of the wardrobe, 2450 for the height, and 600 for the depth. And we just drag and drop like this, and then we put it 50 millimeters on each side, so we have space for the panel after. Okay, now we're going to put one partition in the middle, and then we're going to partition again both sides like this. Okay, and then we're going to put one shelf going all the way, and on the top part we're going to change the dimension to 600 like this, and also this one like this. Okay, now we can start putting the shelves here. Okay, so first we're going to put one in the middle like this. Okay, and we're going to put two more here like this, and in the bottom part we're going to put 3 drawers like this. Okay, now we can start adding our doors. Okay, so one door here, okay, door right, left, and right like this. You see the handles, they are already at the bottom, the software recognizes. Okay, and now for the other ones, those ones will have to change. Okay, oops, sorry, this one, this one. First let's change the materials already. So here 25, search, it's this one. I'm going to change it here and here. It's the visible parts. The inside parts are inside, so we don't need to change them. Now for the panels, we're going to place one panel here, one panel here, and one panel on the other side here. Okay, and now we just have to change the handles. So this one in the middle, no, this one also in the middle, and this one. And just like that, we have our project ready. If you have any questions about this design, please let me know and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.